Okay, there it goes.
There she is. There's Portia. She says, hi, Mommy. I love you. I can't wait to meet you. Can you make some noise here, baby? You're so squawky. Squirmy, wormy.
And she's making a noise.
She's got a little bit of white on her ear right there. And we know it's Portia because she has, let me see if I can turn her around.
The Portia
She has
swash.
the little emblem right there on her collar where it comes down and does a swooshy thing right there. No other puppy has that.
Shows her belly.
It does show fatty belly. It's a Portia belly. Oh, it's so fat. She's the first one to walk, so she's smarter than the rest of them, or at least more developed than the rest of them. She was the first one to open her eyes, and she's a sweetheart. Oh, there, see, now she's all snuggled in. She says, just yummy, I just want to be warm. So, and then now this is the back, that's what they look like, all flat and sprawled out like that. So, when she was actually up on her little tootsies, that was a big deal. Your cutie little feet. Cutie little feet. They're so cute.
Alright, that's enough cute. You're making me puke.
They're so cute. You love her. Say bye-bye, Mommy. I love you. I love you.